My last video was too long, Bruce, so I'll talk quicker. The vacuum is installed pretty much. I have the little blades to go onto the low voltage wire that plugs into over here. The instructions are up top should you need it. I don't quite know how this goes on there just yet. I think this is a piece that I just put on, so you might need to redirect me on that one. I don't remember. The instructions were remarkably unclear. They have the clamps there, but on a PVC or ABS connector, that doesn't make any sense to me. That's here, Laura. I have all the supplies here. So the receptacle for the vacuum cleaner, the receptacle and GFI for the outside, some spray foam for the hole for the venting of the vacuum cleaner there, and then the upstairs receptacle for the vacuum and the receptacle for the electrical. Excellent.